If you or a loved one has less than 6 months to live, hospice care is paid for by Medicare. It's covered under Medicare Part A. A lot of people think that hospice care means you're going to have a nurse come in and stay with you at your bedside 24 hours, and that is not going to happen. There is no 24/7 care from hospice. Hospice means that a doctor, preferably your family doctor, has certified you have 6 months or less to live. Now, if you live past the 6 months, they have to re-certify. And I actually had a patient last year, a client, that aged out of hospice because they got better, so that typically is not in the cards, but that can happen. Hospice is almost entirely paid for by Medicare Part A. If you get your care at home, that means that you're not going to be cured. So they stop any type of treatment to cure you. There's no treatment, there's no drugs meant to cure you. It's just to keep you comfortable in your last days. If you get care in a nursing home, you got to pay for room and board. So we had a client yesterday, and her husband has a compromised immune system, so they can't go home. Her daughter is also going through chemo treatments. So the only place she can go, because she can't stay in the hospital, is to a rehabilitative facility, a nursing home. So she's like, well, I don't want to go to a nursing home because I don't want to pay for a nursing home. But she can't go home. There's nobody to care for her because hospice doesn't give you a 24-hour nurse. Your family would have to give you that personal care. The people will come in and check on you, but they're not going to stay and give you that 24-hour care. So she had to go to a nursing home and room and board. Now, Medicare might pay for some or most of that, or your Med Advantage plan might pay for some or most of that, but you will have costs associated with hospice in a facility. If you are getting medications in hospice, it's supposed to be limited to $5 per medication, such as pain medications. If you have more questions about hospice, let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.